Well, it's a few days later. Leak is fixed, and we got the insulation fixed, and it had to go in from underneath. It goes about 10 feet under there, and we did all the insulation with Roxul, keeping the pipes on the warm side, keeping the air channels open. And what we did in here, these are all full pieces, and there's a full piece, and then another full piece through here, and then we put kind of a double layer and filled up all the little cracks and everything in there. And the plywood is cut for the floor, and I'm not going to put a vapor barrier in. There isn't one anywhere else in. But the problem in Canada with plywood is it comes in 4x8 sheets, but the thickness is metric. So when I put it in, just kick it in here, because it's ready to go in. There we go. And the old is an actual 5/8, and there's just a little wee lip there. So, and there might be a little bit of swelling. So after I get this plywood in, I'm going to have to sand all the edges. And we bought the flooring, and it's 12 millimeters thick. So a little bit of unevenness it's going to compensate for. Oh, I can't put that in yet. I got to put a scab piece on there. So I got to put a nailing strip on there that I've already got cut. That piece right there, we'll go to make a nailing edge right there. How about finding a piece of pallet wood that was just that much too short? That'll work fine. Now this can come in. There we go. A million screws and it'll be fine. We're slowly getting there. Oh, along with the flooring, the shower tub is on order too. It should be here next week. And the installation is Roxul, Rockwool. Moisture doesn't bother it. It even has a little sticker on it. Fire resistant, water repellent. And apparently critters don't like it too much either. Well, that was a fun time. I had the big 6-inch sander hooked up to the shop vac. Worked out pretty good. Feathered it all out. As much as I could. I'm prone to thinking that because the differences was varying, I'm thinking it was water swelling up that stupid OSB. And the other thing that makes me think that is this is under the shower that I put in. And when we moved in here, this section of floor was all rotted out because the shower pan had been cracked, and the people who lived here before continued to use the shower with a cracked pan. And let me tell you how fun it was getting it underneath the walls. So I think that's close enough. I think 12 millimeter flooring will do just fine on that. And all the plywood is screwed down with ceramic coated deck screws. so they shouldn't rust. So there we go. I guess we're done until more supplies come in. It'll be about a week before the bathtub and surround and the flooring comes in. So until then, that's our bathroom. Still got some insulation left over. Do some cleanup and live with it for a week until we can get to the next step.